Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface. Clean each keycap with 70% 90% isopropyl and a microfiber cloth so adhesives bond. Once done, pick one corner of the sticker with tweezers, align it to the key legend and orientation. This prevents crooked placement. Peel the backing just enough to anchor one edge, lower the sticker from that edge across the cap, smoothing as you go. This method reduces trapped air and prevents stretching, so the sticker sits flat. Once most stickers are placed, focus on smoothing and consistent spacing. You should press with a plastic card from the center toward the edges to push out remaining air. This avoids bubbles and keeps the decal flush. Make sure row alignment matches. Compare with a reference key or straight edge so spacing looks uniform across the board. If a sticker overhangs, trim excess with a sharp blade, cutting close but not into the cap. These measured steps yield a professional, even result. To finish, set the stickers with gentle heat. A hairdryer on low from 10 to 15 centimeters melts the adhesive just enough to lock them. Do not overheat or you risk warping. Then type a few keys to test feel. If an edge lifts, press and resmooth immediately. If a sticker is badly misaligned, lift it slowly to the nearest edge and reapply. Bubbles can be worked out that way. If adhesive fails, remove and replace the sticker. Better to redo than accept peeling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.